Top 10. Best travel umbrellas, with you on the go. You can protect yourself from the weather, without the burden of a heavy wet waterproof jackets. Number 10. Actor Reinforced Travel Umbrella, Unbreakable Construction. With this folding umbrella, you will stay safe and dry because of the 38-inch diameter canopy. This umbrella can be used by men or women and it folds down into a compact 11 inches. It weighs only 13 ounces. Storm-proof design. It's that lightweight. Resists wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour. Number 9. Lewis & Clark Travel Umbrella. The metal used makes this folding umbrella rust and corrosion resistant. With Lewis & Clark's design, you get superior wind and rain protection. There is a 38-inch canopy that folds down into a mold-resistant sleeve for storage. Rust and corrosion-resistant metal shaft. Easy to hold in high winds. Vote Best Umbrella 2 years in a row. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Travel Umbrellas or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. Repel Umbrella Blue Sky and wind-defying design that delivers ultimate protection with comfort in mind. With this portable umbrella, you can face any weather condition. The umbrella is 11.5 inches long and features 9 resin-reinforced fiberglass ribs that flex for heavy gusts of wind. Ultimate protection against harsh weather. Chrome-plated metal shaft. Slip-proof handle. Number 7. Vumos Travel Umbrella. Canopy is 35 inches across, which makes it suitable for adults and not oversized for kids. The canopy is made of pong fabric with a special coating that is non-absorbent and water-resistant. Water slides right off with was, as does snow, sleet, and hail. Less than 8 ounces. Pong fabric with special coating. Unisex design. Number 6. Tiago Gear Travel Umbrella, per hour. There are 9 reinforced flexible ribs that won't break under pressure and are built to last. The umbrella weighs less than 1 pound and is 11 inches long. You can easily take it on the go with you. This mini umbrella delivers 100% protection. One-handed operation. Unbreakable technology. 100% protection. Number 5. Bodyguard Finest to every detail. This umbrella was strictly inspected during the manufacturing process to ensure there are 0 defects present. This is a high-quality, top-rated compact umbrella and it's sure to be your last. This small travel umbrella is wind-defying with a 10-rib construction. 10 ribs. Teflon technology. Fits 2-3 people. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Travel Umbrellas or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. LifeTek Waterproof Compact. LifeTek is designed to keep you dry, no matter how harsh the conditions are. LifeTek uses a construction of steel, resin, and aluminum in their 9 trifold ribs to provide stronger wind and rain protection. The canopy is made of a micro-weave fabric that gives maximum UV protection. 9 trifold ribs. Sturdy. Strongest umbrella. Number 3. Rainmate Compact, provides unbeatable protection in a lightweight umbrella design. Rainmate uses first-rate materials and puts their designs through exhaustive testing. With a nearly indestructible construction, you can handle whatever Mother Nature brings if you have this lightweight umbrella by your side. Large 42-inch canopy. Fail-safe flip technology. Lifetime replacement guarantee. Number 2. EEZ-Y Compact Windproof. Wind to roll off the canopy and around it, rather than forcing the edge up. The wind can also pass through the vents of the secondary canopy, which means the umbrella won't be damaged or torn from your hands. It can withstand winds up to 55 miles per hour. Double canopy design. Rubberized grip. Withstand wind gusts up to 55 miles per hour. Number 1. Repel Umbrella Windproof. Design that features 9 fiberglass reinforced ribs, a Teflon waterproof canopy, and an automatic open/close handle. Repel Umbrella sets the bar higher with their wind-resistant design. This is a lightweight umbrella that is 11.5 inches long. Teflon coating. Weighs under 1 pound. Automatic open/close handle. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Travel Umbrellas or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts.